Grade 3rd. So I'm back with another video. In today's video we are going to study two-digit multiplication and some story sums based on multiplication. So here's the video. Let's get started.
So let's begin with the steps. First, multiply the number at ones place with all the numbers as we do in the simple multiplication. So as we do in the simple multiplication, we multiply one number with all the numbers. Okay, let's do it step by step. Here we have the question 75824 by 82. Now in the single digit multiplication we have only this 2, we don't have this number, right? So let's hide it and let's do the simple multiplication. Okay, how it will be? 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16, right? So 6 will be here and 1 will be 5 2s are 10, 1 11, 1 will be here, 1 will be here, right? 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15, right? So we have done the simple multiplication. Now let's read the second step. Put a sign of multiplication under the ones place of the answer. So this is the answer of this one, so we have to put multiplication sign in its ones place, right? Ones place is this, we have put it the sign of multiplication, right? Now let's have a look on the next step. Then multiply all the above numbers with the second number and write them down. Now which is the second number? This is the second number. Now we have to multiply all the numbers with this and write them down. So now let's hide 2 and let's multiply all the numbers with 8. Now 8 4s are, you know the tables, right? For this, tables are mandatory, so you have to learn the tables. 8 1 16 24, 8 4 32, right? So similarly 32. Now we cannot write here because we have already applied multiplication sign here, so we have to write under the second number 32. 2 will be in the ones place and 3 will be going on the head of here 2. Why? Because we have multiplied the number with this one, right? So इसका जो आंसर होगा उसका जो कैरी आएगा वो नेक्स्ट वाले उसके हेड पे जाएगा, राइट? सो दैट्स वाई वी हैव रिटन इट ऑन द हेड ऑफ 2. नेक्स्ट 8 1 8, 8 2 16, 16 plus 3, 16 17 18 19, 19, right? Then 9 here and 1 will be in the head of this, correct? 8 8s are 64, 64 plus 1 65, 5 in the ones place and 6 will be on the head of 5. Okay, 8 5s are 40. Now don't look at this carry because we have already added this in the first one, right? So 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 6 46. So 6 we'll write here and 4 we'll write here. 8 7s are, tell me, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 7 are 56. 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 4, 56 plus 4, it will be 60. So 60 will write whole because we don't have any number after this, so we'll write whole 60 here. Okay, so we have done this step also. We have multiplied all the numbers with it. Let's have a look on the next step. After doing this, add both the answers. One answer is this one, 2 वाले को multiply करके ये answer आया, 8 वाले को multiply करके ये answer आया. Now we have to add both of them, right? So starting from the ones place, 8 के नीचे cross है, means 0. So 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 9 plus 6 will be 15. 5, again 1 will be on the head, right? 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. 6 plus 5 11. So 1 1 will be here and 1 on its head, right? So 1 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, and 6. Therefore, this is the answer. So what we have to do, what basically we have to do is, first we have to multiply 2 with all the numbers and write here. Then we have to multiply 8 with all the numbers and write here. But we have to put a cross sign on the ones place. Remember this point, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Then what we have to do, we have to add both the answers to get the final answer, right? So it's easy, but it needs a lot of concentration. So let's have one more, okay? Next is 2784 by 56. I should write it here. 2784 by 56. Multiply, okay? First multiply 6 with all the numbers. 6 minus 6, 6 minus 6, 6 to 12, 6 18, 6 4s are 24. 4 here, 2 here. 8 5 is 40, 8 6 are 48. 48, 49, 50. 0 here, 5 here. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 5, 42 plus 5, it will be 47. 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. We have written the answer of the first one, right? Answers also you have to write with a proper gap. Then put a cross sign. Then multiply all the numbers with 5. 5 4s are 20. 0 and 2. 8 5s are 40 plus 2, 42. 2 here, 4 here. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 4. 35 plus 4, 39. 9 and this is nothing. 39. 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13. 3, 1. Where to write 1? There is nothing where we can write 1. So we'll write it here only. Now we have to add both the answers, right? Add. Sign of addition. 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 1 plus 1, 1, 1. So this will be our answer. So this is our multiplication with 2-digit number, right? Now let's have a look on some story sums where we can use multiplication sign, okay? So our first question is, the price of one book is rupees 78. Find the cost of 6 such books. So here we are being given with the cost of one book. So we'll write cost of one book as it is already mentioned, right? Cost of one book is rupees 78. Cost of 6 books we have to find out. How will find out? Now, if you went to a shopkeeper to ask for one toffee, which will be of rupees 5, okay? One toffee is of rupees 5. If you want 5 toffees like that, अगर आपको कितनी toffees चाहिए? If you want 5 toffees like that, what you will do? एक चीज़ तो आप ये करोगे कि आप 5 को 5 बार ऐड कर लोगे, right? जिसको हमें पता है क्या कहते हैं हम? Repeated addition. या फिर आप क्या करोगे? और you will multiply 5 into 5. 5 5s are, we know, 25. We got the answer. So we will give shopkeeper 25 rupees, right? तो हमने क्या किया? मल्टीप्लाई किया. जब हमें वन टॉफ़ी का कॉस्ट पता है और हमें ज़्यादा का निकालना है, there we used to do multiply, okay? अगर हमें we are provided with cost of one book cost is rupees 78 and we are asked of 6 books, we'll multiply these two, okay? What the answer will be? 78 multiplied by 6. 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48. 8 will be here, 4 will be here. 7 6 are 42, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. 46. This will be the answer. Rupees 468. Here the answer is rupees 468. right? So when we are given with cost of one thing, एक चीज़ का जब हमें कॉस्ट दिया होगा, एक चीज़ रुपीज़ इतने की है एंड आपको ज़्यादा का निकालना होगा, लाइक 1 and 5, तो बड़ा कौन सा है 5, तो हमें एक का दिया है, हमें ज़्यादा का निकालना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट, देयर इन दैट केस वील डू मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, this is the very easy method of what I am telling you, right? So let's have a look on the next question. Raja keeps 114 balls in one box. Okay, so Raja keeps balls. You have to learn how to make statements also. Raja keeps ball in one box. कितनी बॉल्स रखी है उन्होंने? 114 बॉल्स. कितनी बॉल्स रखी है? 114, राइट? नेक्स्ट, हाउ मेनी बॉल्स विल ही कीप इन 7 such boxes? So he will keep balls is equal to, now we are given of one box का दिया है एंड हमें फाइंड आउट करना है 7 का, राइट? सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वील मल्टीप्लाई दिस एंड दिस. देखो, एक का दिया है हमें 114, 7 का हमें निकालना है, सो वील मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू. हाउ? 114 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7, 7 4s are 28, 2, 7 1s are 7, 8 9, and 7 1s are 7. Therefore, this will be the answer. He will keep 798 balls in 7 boxes, right? So this will be our answer. What we have done, we have just simply multiplied. हमें एक चीज़ का दिया था, एक बॉक्स में 114 बॉल्स रखी थी और हमसे पूछा था 7 में कितनी रखेंगे. Therefore, we multiplied both of them, right? Okay, so rest I'll be providing you the worksheet. You have to do it in the same manner with the statements, okay? So that's all for your today's class. Hope you enjoyed your class. Keep doing the practice because maths is the only thing which you could only get by practicing, right? If you have any kind of confusion, you can tell me either on your online class or you can give me in the query session, right? So I want you to practice it as much as you can, then only you will get to know how to do the sums, right? If you will practice, then only you will get it, otherwise it will be the most hardest thing, right? So just keep practicing. Bye bye, take care.